Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the KitchenAid Dishwasher Rear Adjuster guide. It's going to be a very easy repair, and it'll only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new Rear Adjuster guide. The Rear Adjuster guide is part of the adjustment system for the upper dish rack. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged and the dish rack isn't going up and down properly. In order to change the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Once you have the door open, you can pull out the upper rack so you have access to the Rear Adjuster guide. There's one on each side, both changed out the same way. To get the Rear Adjuster guide off, all you have to do is unclip it from the rack, then lower it down so the cutout lines up with that little tab right there. Once you have it free, you can pull it off the dish rack. Here's the old Rear Adjuster guide next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new Rear Adjuster guide on, we're just going to lift it up and put it over the tab. Then push it up. Snap it onto the rack. Once you have it installed, you can push the upper rack in. Close the door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.